so yum. If you're looking for a simple, easy breakfast recipe that is going to bring joy in the morning, definitely you have to make some French toast, because you'll need very few ingredients and it's going to turn out delicious, pillowy, flavorful because of all the cinnamon, and you can add in your favorite toppings. You'll need a whole loaf of bread for this recipe, and this is 400 grams. And also you'll need some sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, milk, eggs, orange, some vanilla essence, and cooking oil. The recipe is as simple as that. So I'm going to start off by slicing up my bread using a serrated knife, which is going to be very easy for me to slice into the bread. So I'm going to cut the bread into equal sizes, and this is the size that you're going for. And when done, it's time to make your custard. So I'm going to place my bread aside. And in a bowl, I'm going to be adding in all the ingredients. So I'm going to start off with a cup of milk. Add in your cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, sugar, vanilla essence, crack in 2 eggs, squeeze in juice of a whole orange, and all these ingredients will be listed in the description box in the right quantity. So the cinnamon, nutmeg, and the orange juice is going to add in a very nice flavor into the custard, while the eggs are going to turn everything very creamy together with the milk. The sugar is going to sweeten the bread, which is going to turn out fantastic. So using a fork, I'm going to whisk in all the ingredients. This is how your custard is going to look. As you can see, the custard has a lovely brownish color from the cinnamon powder end. Now I'm ready to cook my French toast. So you're going to place a non-stick pan of a medium flame. This is a 12-inch non-stick pan. So I'm going to add in around a teaspoon of cooking oil. You can add in some butter to add in a very nice buttery taste. Wait for around 30 seconds for the oil to get ready. Meanwhile, you're going to pick your bread. Place the bread in the custard. Flip. Shake off the excess custard and transfer into the pan. Place in, soak in all that goodness. Just look at that. Shake off any excess and transfer the pan as well. If you have a day-old bread, the bread is perfect for the recipe because it's going to soak up all this goodness. Make sure the flames are moderate so that the custard can cook, so that you don't have some dark colored French toast. You're going to cook your toast for around a minute on each side. The bread looks gorgeous. We have a nice golden brown color. As you have seen, 400 grams of bread is not a lot because this is a recipe for around 2 to 3 people at most. And the bread is going to get a very nice sweetness, which also is going to add in that caramelization on the bread. So you're going to get a perfect golden brown color when you use the right flames. Once ready, you're going to transfer to a plate. Carefully place into the custard, shake off the excess, and transfer to your pan. While placing the bread into the custard, make sure not to place in the bread for too long so that it doesn't soak up too much custard. When ready, this is how your French toast should be looking. So now you're going to transfer to the rest and add in your last round. So yum. There's a very nice cinnamon and orange flavor in the French toast. The ice cream on my adds in some more creaminess into the French toast, which means that this is a must-try recipe for you because it's going to take around 10 minutes of your time and you'll have some time to rush to work or school.